Construction is one of the most dangerous industries in the world, but when you're running a small crew, the risks can multiply. Fewer workers, tighter timelines, and limited resources can put everyone on site at greater risk if safety isn't a top priority. Today, we're going to explore why small construction crews face unique challenges and how they can build a strong foundation of safety without a big budget. Welcome back to the channel where we dive into real safety solutions for real workplaces. Whether you're a contractor, a site supervisor, or the one swinging the hammer, this one's for you. Let's get into it. Small construction crews often work with less oversight and less formal structure. That can make things move fast, but it can also mean that small hazards go unnoticed. Unlike large sites with dedicated safety officers, smaller operations often rely on team leads or even the business owner to keep an eye on everything. When you're trying to manage a crew, stay on budget, and meet a deadline, safety can start to slide, and that's when things go wrong. Take the case of a residential project in Alberta back in 2014. A crew was working on trenching without proper shoring. It wasn't a massive site, just a few workers digging out a utility line, but the soil gave way, and a young worker was trapped and killed in a collapse. Investigators found that no formal risk assessment had been done, and the crew hadn't been trained on soil stability. It was a tragic example of how a small oversight can lead to devastating consequences. So how do small crews prevent these kinds of incidents? It starts with building a safety culture from the ground up. Even without a big safety department, you can create a routine that includes daily toolbox talks, task hazard assessments, and open communication. One small contractor we spoke to in British Columbia made it a rule that every crew member has to identify one potential hazard at the start of each day. It's simple, it's free, and it keeps safety top of mind. In just 6 months, they cut their incident rate in half. Another smart move? Rotate safety roles. Let a different crew member lead the safety talk each day. It empowers the team, keeps people engaged, and builds leadership from within. The bottom line is this: safety doesn't scale down. If anything, it needs to scale up when resources are limited. Small doesn't mean unsafe. It means every action matters more, and every person plays a bigger role in keeping the crew protected. So what are you doing to protect your crew today? Drop a comment and let us know what's working on your site. And if this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more safety tips, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Stay sharp, stay safe, and keep building smarter.